Two helicopters collide shortly after takeoff in Australia. According to police, early indications suggest two helicopters collided shortly after takeoff. It is believed both helicopters were solely occupied by a pilot. Two helicopters were reported to have collided in mid-air on Thursday in Western Australia, with injuries unknown at the current stage. According to a statement by the Western Australian Police Force, the incident took place near Mount Anderson Station. Emergency services were notified of crash at about 6:20 a.m. local time on Thursday morning. So that's all for now.